Mnangagwa ikhale ayihlukumeza nkarhi ufikile sweswi angene mfana nkarhi wa yena sewufikile mazimbabwe hinkwawo a hi fambeni ya kaya ya vhota nkarhi wa kona sewufikile mazimbabwe asambeni sovhota asambe sevhota sifuna inguquko mazimbabwe a hi fambeni ya vhota
In South Africa, Citizens Coalition for Change is allowed to protest, it's allowed to do roadshows, it's allowed to campaign, to do its activities with hindrance. But here in Zimbabwe, the country which is hosting the same elections is denying its own people campaigns, is denying its own people free political space. Protests are not allowed, campaigns are not allowed, gatherings are not allowed. The police here in Zimbabwe can't even escort our politicians who are doing marches. They can't even escort our politicians doing their own activities. But in South Africa, the South African police is giving resources to Zimbabweans in South Africa, giving them police escort to do whatever they want to do, to send whatever message they want to send to the people of Zimbabwe. This shows that in Zimbabwe there is no tolerance. This shows that in Zimbabwe we have a panicking regime. Why is it that what we are being denied in Zimbabwe, we are being allowed in South Africa? A foreign country, a foreign land. So we are free in South Africa more than we are free here in Zimbabwe. You can speak whatever you want while you're in South Africa, but you can't speak while you're in Zimbabwe. Why? You can do a rally while it's in South Africa, but you can't do a rally while it's in Zimbabwe. Why? Nelson Chamisa successfully held a rally without any problems in South Africa, a foreign land. But here in Zimbabwe, he has been denied access to the electorate. He has been denied access to the people. He has been denied access to the people who are supposed to vote for him, to his access to his supporters. It's wrong. This is a great lesson to President Mnangagwa. He must learn from this. He must be tolerant. He must be appreciative. He must appreciate other political players. He must acknowledge other political players, such that we know that we are going to have free, fair, credible elections if everybody is allowed to do whatever he wants to do. But with these conditions, no free elections. Let us vote for change.